Hi, this is Daniel for GearBest. I bring you yet another Ulefone smartphone today. It's the Ulefone Power 3S. Not to be confused with the Ulefone Power 3. This is a different one. It's the S, and you're gonna find out exactly why very soon. I'm gonna unbox it. It's this small, sturdy, hard-looking cardboard box. Let me open it up. The smartphone is right here. I'm gonna put it to the side for now, just to show you the content inside the box, and then we'll go back to the smartphone itself. So the first thing is here, the clip, you know, the metal clip to open the SIM card tray. It's right here. That's very useful. And speaking of tray, there's a kind of contraption here. We open it up, and then there's the rest of the content inside. Let's see, warranty cards, that's good. International warranty cards with a QR code here. You can access the website, the brand website, Ulefone, for more information. What's this? The user manual, actually. Colored manual, instructions manual in different languages. Again, very useful. Make sure to read this. People tend to ignore it, but sometimes there's actual important and interesting information, so you can better use your device and fully take advantage of it as we should. Also a screen protector, very convenient right here. So that's nice to keep that gorgeous display safe and protected. And then inside here we have, well, let me start by the power brick. Right here, black with a USB port. An OTG, I think, adapter, yes. USB out here and Type-C USB on this end, so that's an adapter, might be useful. The standard power charging power or data transfer USB cable, actually. Type-C again, USB on this end, normal. So that's what you're gonna use most of the time to charge the battery of the Ulefone Power 3S. Also, very important, a 3.5mm jack adapter right here, so you can listen to music with your headphones. The smartphone itself doesn't have a 3.5mm port, so but the adapter is included, so it's convenient, no problem at all from that front. And finally, but perhaps not least, another adapter, Type-C USB to micro USB right here. So again, very useful. A lot of care from Ulefone to include all these little well, accessories in such a small package. So pretty much we have everything we need right here. And they also include, you might have noticed, a protective case for the device, for the smartphone. And now we're jumping into the actual smartphone, but let me show you this. There you go, transparent plastic rubbery protective case. So again, very useful. That's the kind of stuff you always want when you buy a new smartphone. You want a screen protector, you want the protective case, you know, you want all the cables and all the adapters, so you don't have to go through other stores and other websites to find the things you need to make it work. So anyway, the Ulefone Power 3S has some stickers here in the back. Let me see if I can remove it so I can show you the actual looks of the smartphone. And sometimes these stickers are kind of tricky to remove, but here you go. Yeah, very nice, like matte black here in the back, and in the front an amazing 6-inch full HD display. And you might notice there's a dual camera in the front, which is very unusual. You don't find dual cameras in the front that often. That's a 13 megapixel plus 5 megapixel camera in the front, and even a flashlight, flash LED light, of course. So that's very unusual. You don't find that in many smartphones. It's cool. That means obviously you have a great camera here for your selfies, and you also have a very good dual camera in the back with 16 megapixel plus 5 megapixel, and again LED dual flashlight right here, and the fingerprint scanner all together in the same place. So that's very cool. Still from the outside looks, we have the Type-C USB port here with the speakers as well. So this is where you're gonna charge, and when you get where you will connect the 3.5 millimeter adapter for your headphones. So that's how it works. Now, under the hood, inside the smartphone itself, we have a MediaTek Octa core CPU clocking in at 2 GHz. So that's pretty nice. We have 4 GB of RAM plus 64 GB of internal storage that can be expanded with a micro SD card, TF card, you know it. Also, and definitely not least, it's the Power 3S after all. And the name Power is not there by accident. That's because it has a huge battery. This is a smartphone with a very big battery. 6,350 milliamps for the battery of this Ulefone Power 3S. That's like double the average of most smartphones in the market today. What that means in practical terms? Well, you can use it pretty much for 2 straight days without ever needing to charge. And nowadays that's really terrific. You know, we're all worried about that. We all stress about our smartphones, the battery getting empty, you know, and to drain too fast. So this is what you want. You want a smartphone with a really large battery. Also Android 7, of course. It's a version, it's pretty much close to stock. I believe it's stock Android 7. So again, perfect. No changes from the brand. Ulefone is a very caring brand. That they really take good care of their smartphones, and this one is spectacular. It's the Ulefone Power 3S. Check the links below for all the details, all the specs. Like and subscribe, and bye bye.